My name's Hedy. I am the Big Cheese founder of San Francisco-based travel gift card, mytab.co. Today we're going to show you how when you've got like a Google document, whether it's Excel or a Word document, whatever it is, sharing or just for yourself, how to only print out selected areas. It is so easy to do. I can do it. So let's get started. So I've created something very simple like a Google Doc, and it's an entitled spreadsheet, and I'm just making something up to show an example. I've added tasks, I've assigned tasks, and I've got task dates by imaginary people doing imaginary jobs. I want to be able to do column A and column B. I don't want to include the task date. I want to print it out. You literally just pull your mouse over until it goes to the blue light, and then click on print, scroll down to where it says selection. That is your key, that's your gold. Click selection, and then down here you have got very simple pointers that you can click on. Do you want to include the title, the sheet names, page numbers? They're just a fine print, but if you're looking about the actual document itself, what you're doing is focusing on that blue area that you've highlighted is the only part they'll print. So how to make a field not printing Google Docs? Don't highlight it. It's that simple. Use your brain. Highlight it, the area that you want, whether it's you're scrolling across or you're scrolling down. If you need to only print like maybe column A, D, and E, and you want those three together, but you don't want column B, it's a bit trickier. So you know what you need to do is just create inserts of the spreadsheet on columns and have A, D, and E columns all next to each other. After you've printed it and you've highlighted and printed only that selection, you can move them back to the original place. You can do the same thing also, just to let you know, with Excel documents. Again, highlight, and when you go to print, printing is called selection. It is absolutely no-brainer. So my name's Hedy. I'm the Big Cheese founder of San Francisco-based travel gift card in San Francisco, and I'm signing out for the day. Have a great day.